People start filling on the body and stuff. I'm like, listen, man, if you're looking for some kind of show truck, like you need to get going, man. You need to get going, because I don't have time for that, man. Let's go.
Can I get up? Everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do with the wind.
Greetings, viewers. Welcome to the Roaches to Wrenches YouTube channel, where it's all about progress, positivity. You already know. Behind me is my 2008 BMW E90 rebuild project. If y'all don't know about this rebuild project, you need to get your head out of your ass and subscribe to the Roaches to Wrenches YouTube channel for more about this. So on this episode, we're going to be painting this car. I hope y'all had a very Merry Christmas. I would have put this video out before, but man, I just been too damn busy losing my ass in the stock market. All right, y'all better hold your balls for 2019, man, because this ain't going to be easy. I'm just playing with y'all. Y'all already know, man. You know how it is, man. God is good. God is going to provide at all times anyway, man. Don't worry about the economy and things like that, man. Don't put your faith in any of the nonsense, man. Trust in God. Trust in yourself, man. Anyway, so I'm going to show y'all what we've been doing on this BMW lately. So first of all, the paint I use, I got some paint off eBay. The paint cost me $80. What it was 2 pints of red A61 paint. That's the paint code A61 for this BMW. They mixed it up, sent it to me. I probably should have bought one more pint, but I'm going to get to that later. This is the newest car I've ever done paint work on. So all the jobs I've done before, they were old cars. They were cars where it didn't really matter what kind of, like, how the quality of the paint. I mean, it's an old car. If I'm trying to go sell an old car, somebody comes up to me and starts bitching about the paint, I don't have time for that shit, man. Like, some guys, they come around, they start filling on the body of the car. If you're looking for some kind of show truck, like, you need to get going, man. You need to get going, because I don't have time for that, man. It's kind of a similar situation with this BMW right here. This is a 2008 BMW. It's 11 years old. All right, so I mean, if somebody comes around and starts, you know, giving me crap about the paint or something like that, this is not some kind of M4, BMW M4, or some like M Sport package, whatever. You know, this is it's a 328, BMW 328. It got imperfections in other parts of the body anyway. Okay, we got everything put on, so I got all this stuff for free. Basically just went to the junkyard. I came out with all this stuff, just some miscellaneous plastic stuff. I was like, Merry Christmas, have a good day. So that was it, I left. Christmas miracle, man. I'm just happy I got all this stuff all for free. Unfortunately, they didn't have the headlight bracket there. The vehicle I got this from was a 335i coupe. So yeah, I got the front end looking a lot more legit. Now I just got to put this thing back where it's supposed to be.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So at this point, I'm gonna be driving the BMW out of the garage so I can get everything ready for paint.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I sanded down the body panels, did all the prep work, wax and grease removal, all that good stuff. The kind of spray gun I use is a Harbor Freight spray gun. I bought it for $12, $11. I don't even remember how much I bought it for. All I know is I bought it. I clean it out every time I'm done using it, and it works just the same every time. I hear some people say they gotta just buy a new spray gun every time. It's the same thing for me. The spray gun doesn't go bad. I mean, I've used that one a couple times. It never went bad for me. So first body panel I did was the fender right here. Body panels were already primed, so I just had to scuff it, and I started going to town on it, man. Here's the issue I had. Because the garage space I have is so small, I could only paint one body panel at a time. The fender came out all right. The fender was actually the best body panel that came out of all the body panels I sprayed. The fender was the best one. The reason I wanted to do the fender first is because I wanted to make sure that first of all the paint was mixed correctly. Sometimes these other guys, they tell you the paint, but it's not mixed right. You know, you match it up right there and the shade is off or something. Okay, I laid down the first couple layers of base coat. As you can see here, looks all right. I got the heater blowing so the paint will bake up. The light, so I got proper lighting on everything. The color right now is a little bit brighter than the one over there, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna darken down a little bit once the paint bakes. I didn't think I could pull this one off, but it's looking pretty good. It's really hot in here, man. So I still got 20 more minutes to go until the paint will be ready for a clear coat. I did pretty well. I bolted on the fender after everything. The shade is pretty good. Yeah, looks all right. Looks all right. Got a bit of orange peel and stuff like that, but for a 10-year-old car, it's not a big deal. I know the shade, it may look like the shade is a different color, but this rest of the car is dirty. And the paint is 10 years old, which is, this paint is fresh, but the color is the same. I mean, you can even see like the clear coat is all peeling right here. Like this paint is whatever. So I'm not too worried about the quality of the paint right here. It just needs to be the same color and the paint needs to stick. I mean, you can see right here, I bumped it one time when the paint was still wet. Normally, if this was a brand new car, someone would be all obsessed about it and try to respray the whole fender. I'm not like that at all. It's not a special car by any means. The rest of the car is dirty and the fender is clean, obviously, because it was just painted. So that's why it looks like the shade is a little bit different, but the shade's not different. It's just it's clean and the rest of the car is dirty. And the paint is old. The paint is 11 years old too, so it's fine. It's fine, man. The second thing I painted was the hood. The reason I painted the hood second is because I knew that one was going to take the most amount of paint. And I wanted to make sure I had enough paint to paint the hood at least. The bumper cover was another story, but we're going to get to the bumper cover later, all right? So the whole situation with the hood was basically a shit show, man. I was painting the hood. I had an idea of how it was going to turn out. It just came out the way it did, man. It is what it is, man. That's just how it is. Like, you know, I'm no professional painter. I'm not using professional equipment and stuff like that. Not that I'm trying to make excuses. I'm just trying to say my situation, you know what I'm saying? I fitted up the hood. Everything fit up right. Same thing like that. Of course, there's tiger stripes and stuff like that. I mean, I'm pretty sure they call them tiger stripes. So I did not tiger stripe the base coat, but I tiger striped the clear coat. I might try to get some polish with a buffing pad and try buffing out the clear coat, but as for now, that's how it's going to be. There's still a lot of dust on it too, so it may look a little worse than it actually is going to be. So, yeah. Okay, guys, I got the hood back up there. It ain't too bad. The hood, the paint on the hood's pretty bad. Let me show y'all the paint. Paint's pretty bad. I mean, the clear coat is tiger striped. The base coat was all right, but then I messed up the clear coat. I tiger striped it like hell. From far away, it ain't too bad. Yeah, man. So I pretty much started putting all the accessories on the hood and everything back. I put this chrome trim up here, put that back on. I started getting these on, but I gotta wait to adjust these until I have everything, like the fender and everything all buttoned up. Then I can adjust the hood. And I gotta have the headlights in too. But I started putting all these rubber grommets in. Not too bad, not too bad. Really can't complain too much. I didn't want to waste too much paint on the underside because I had to save up the paint for the top of the hood. I didn't want to run out of paint for the top. And of course, I still have the bumper cover to paint. As I said before, my state has no inspection, so I don't have to worry about putting stickers back there like they do in California and Connecticut and stuff like that. I just want to get this thing back together, man. Of course, there's orange peel and stuff like that. I forgot, I didn't mention that before. Lastly, the bumper cover. It's hard to screw up a bumper cover. From all my experience painting cars, it is hard to screw up a bumper cover, man. Screw up painting a bumper cover. All right, guess what? I screwed up the bumper cover. All right, but it's not what y'all think, man. What happened was I didn't have enough paint, man. I ran out of paint. I only bought, remember I told y'all before, I only bought 2 pints of paint, man. 2 pints of base coat. So I ran out of paint. It is what it is. But in the end of the day, it's really not a big deal because at the end of it all, I only came in 1 coat short. 1 coat. So if I had enough paint for 1 more coat of paint, it's fine. In the end of the day, the whole paint job I did was imperfect, but I'm not obsessive over this stuff. You know, I know a lot of these other guys. I've seen a lot of other guys on YouTube because these guys, they're working on brand new cars. This car's 11 years old. It's no big deal. At the end of it all, it's all good, man. The reason I'm not able to reassemble this whole car right away is because the damn headlight bracket, man. I still gotta source this damn headlight bracket that's supposed to be right there. It chooches my ass. Every junkyard around here where I live is trying to rate my ass on the price for this headlight bracket, man. People don't want to sell them. The thing unbolts super easily, man. Or they want to charge me $40. This one junkyard's been really chooching my ass. I called them about the inner fender liner. They wanted $40 freaking dollars, man, for the front inner fender liner, not even the entire thing. All right, screw you. I know you can charge whatever you want and stuff like that, but hey, man, I'm not gonna take the rod up my ass on the price. Nope, not gonna happen. I'm not paying $40 for a piece of plastic, man. But anyway, I'm done ranting on this video. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Roaches to Wrenches YouTube channel. And as always, I'm grinding. I hope you all are doing the same. You all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace!